All right, everybody. Just wanted to show y'all this new mirror I got. This one is old, got cracks in it, it's warped. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put this one in. Other thing you really need to do is on this side, you can see that there's a little flap right here that helps you unlock it. Once you unlock it, you can go ahead and take it out. You just put the new one in. Right there. I also have this mirror moved in over to the left to help get more access to this piece. So put that up. You can just pull it down, pull it off. You can see the two wires right here. So go ahead and take the wires out, put them in the new one, call it a day. Now that I got both of those in, I can go ahead, lift this up. Just try to sit these on top of here, and I'll be done.